Model: 68-plate Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 95 manual M1000X spares OR repairs cam belt snapped easiest fix in trade 1.6 open mouth smile. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 117296. MOT: the 29th of October 2024. Engine: 1560 cc DV6 FDUA. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Simple and easy fix for someone who knows what they're doing. Grin. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.